Welcome to our channel where we make managing your online store simple and straightforward. Welcome to our channel where we make managing your online store simple and straightforward. Getting started with Teespring is exciting, but the first step is knowing how to access your dashboard easily. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can jump right into designing and selling your custom products. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Teespring website. Make sure you enter the correct URL to avoid phishing sites. When the home page loads, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click this button to move forward. Now you'll be directed to the Login page where you need to enter your credentials. If you have not created an account yet, simply select the Sign Up option to register your details. For existing users, enter your registered email address in the email field. Double-check for any typos to avoid login errors. Next, enter your password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so keep that in mind. If you've forgotten your password, there's a Forgot Password link you can click to reset it via your email. After entering your login information, review it once more to ensure accuracy. Then click the Login button to access your dashboard. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your personalized Teespring dashboard where you can manage your store, create new designs, and track orders. In case of login difficulties, checking your internet connection, clearing the browser cache, or trying another browser might help. Also, ensure your account isn't locked due to multiple failed login attempts. If it is, follow the provided steps to unlock it. By following these straightforward steps, logging into your Teespring dashboard becomes a hassle-free task. This allows you to focus more on creating amazing products and growing your business rather than getting stuck at the login screen. Don't forget to bookmark your dashboard link for quicker access in the future.